How would it feel if a video of your e-commerce store got 10,000 views by tomorrow or even went viral? Please stop what you're doing right now. Let me show you how this app will show promo videos of your e-commerce store all over YouTube. Let me show you something pretty extraordinary. Let's go to alexa.com. Look at the first three. While people are doing Google advertising, Facebook advertising, they're forgetting about YouTube, the #3 website across the globe. YouTube's daily views hit their highest number ever, over 3 billion views per day as of 2011. And we can show your promotional video to your customers right before they watch YouTube videos, just like this. So now let's hop on YouTube and let me show you just what I mean. Take a look what happens here. It's promo video, a Taco Bell video,
Quesalupa, only at Taco Bell.
and then the video starts. And this happens all throughout YouTube. So we can help you acquire new customers by targeting people who represent your ideal customer. If your customer likes extreme sports or handbags, we can target them. We can also retarget people who came to your website. So say they go to your e-commerce store and then leave and go watch some YouTube videos. They'll see your video ad just like this Taco Bell video ad to be reminded that they visited your store. We do all the work for you. Here's how it works. Once you install our Shopify app, step 1 is tell us which video you're promoting. Step 2, tell us about your target market. Then step 3, just click a button and launch, and we'll start setting up and optimizing your campaign to target and retarget your customers on YouTube. Install the app and get your YouTube advertising started now.